Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi everyone. I am Izan Dayana binti Jonet from Mechanical Engineering Department, Polytechnic Muazzam Shah as a lecturer for DJJ 20053 Electrical Technology course. Would like to share about basic knowledge of capacitance. At the end of this video, everyone should be able to understand and describe about capacitor and the factor that affect the capacitance. Capacitance. Think of water flowing through a pipe. Imagine a capacitor as being a storage tank with an inlet and outlet pipe. The water tank would be the capacitor and it will be charged by a pump, referred as a battery, which fills it up. The amount of charge in the capacitor would be analogized to the amount of water in the tank. The height of the water above some reference point would be the voltage to which the battery had pumped up the capacitor. The area of the tank would be the capacitance. A tall, skinny tank might contain the same amount of water as a shallow, flat tank. But the tall, skinny tank would hold it at a higher pressure. There are also tall, skinny capacitors, referred as high voltage, low capacitance, and shallow. Flat capacitors referred as low voltage, high capacitance. Do you know what capacitance is? In electrical circuit, capacitance is the ability of component to collect and store energy in the form of an electrical charge. In other words, capacitance is expressed as the ratio of the electric charge on each conductor to the potential difference between them. Value of a capacitor is measured in farad, unit name for English physicist Michael Faraday. A capacitor is an electrical device designed for storing electrical charge. Generally, it consists of two electrical conductors that are separated by a distance. The space between the conductor may be filled by a vacuum or with an insulating material known as a dielectric. The ability of the capacitor to store charge is known as capacitance. There are two types of electrical charge, a positive charge in the form of protons and negative charge in the form of electrons. When a DC voltage is placed across a capacitor, the positive charge quickly accumulates on one plate, while a negative charge accumulates on the other plate. Do you know there are several factors that affect the value of capacitance? There are three factors which affect the value of capacitance. The first is area of plate. The greater the area of capacitor plates, the larger is the capacitance of the capacitor. It is because larger the plates, the greater the charge they can hold for a given voltage, and hence greater will be the capacitance. Secondly is thickness of dielectric of distance between plates. The capacity of a capacitor is inversely proportional to the distance between plates. The electrostatic force field between the plates is stronger when the plates are close together. Therefore, as the distance between the plates decrease, capacitance increase. Lastly is relative permittivity of dielectric. The greater the relative permittivity of the insulating material, the greater will be the capacitance of the capacitor. It is because the nature of dielectric affect the electrostatic field between the plates and also affect the total charge that accumulates on the plates. From all these factors, the value of capacitance can calculate using this formula. Thanks all for now. Thank you everyone.